All right, welcome to Spanish with Paul. You know, there's a lot of things that we can run out of in life. For example, you can run out of money, battery on your mobile phone, you can run out of patience, you can run out of options. Now, to express these types of things in Spanish, we have a key phrase, and that is me quedé sin. So this translates to I ran out of. Me quedé sin. What's the word for money in Spanish? Most of you probably know this. It's dinero. So to express I ran out of money, it would be me quedé sin dinero. The word for battery, meaning like in your mobile phone, is batería. Batería. How would you say I ran out of battery? Me quedé sin batería. The word for patience is paciencia. Paciencia. How would you say I ran out of patience? Me quedé sin paciencia. The word for options or choices is opciones. Opciones. How would you say I ran out of options? Me quedé sin opciones. Now, this idea also works incredibly well with three modal verbs. Most of you know these already as well. For example, to express I don't want to is no quiero. So, if you wanted to say something like I don't want to run out of, it would be no quiero quedarme sin. So in the first part, we have our modal verb, no quiero. After that, you follow with the full verb, so quedarme sin means to run out of. Let's try to use it. The word for petrol or gasoline is gasolina. Gasolina. How would you say, I don't want to run out of gas? No quiero quedarme sin gasolina. The word for time is tiempo. Tiempo. How would you say, I don't want to run out of time? No quiero quedarme sin tiempo. The second modal verb is I'm going to. How do you say that? Voy a. And do you remember the word for patience? Paciencia. Now say, I'm going to run out of patience. Voy a quedarme sin paciencia. What about I'm going to run out of money? Voy a quedarme sin dinero. The third modal verb is I just, where we put verbs instantly into the past. The sound for this is acabo de. So how would you say I just ran out of battery? Acabo de quedarme sin batería. Once again, what's the word for options? Opciones. Now say, I just ran out of options. Acabo de quedarme sin opciones. The word for coffee is café. And let's try this. To express, I don't believe it. This would be no lo puedo creer. No lo puedo creer. So let's try to use it. I don't believe it. I just ran out of coffee. No lo puedo creer. Acabo de quedarme sin café. If you'd like to get 7 days of me personally helping you with your Spanish for free, simply click the link below to join the Spanish with Paul community.